Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing quality Inn Junction City near Fort Riley. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Quality Inn Junction City near Fort Riley is located off Interstate 70 near the Fort Riley military installation, home of the 1st Infantry Division, nicknamed the Big Red One. Kansas State University, Irwin Army Community Hospital, the Foot Locker Distribution Center and ConAgra are also near this junction city. Numerous activities are available in the area, such as boating and fishing at nearby Milford Lake, hiking in the Flint Hills and touring historical museums in Fort Riley. Visitors will enjoy browsing the stores at the nearby shopping mall and dining at various restaurants and lounges located in the surrounding area. Hotel amenities and features include free continental breakfast, free coffee, free wireless high-speed internet access, free local calls and free newspaper. After a busy day of meetings or an exciting day of sightseeing, guests can enjoy relaxing in the seasonal outdoor pool. There is also an exercise room. Business travelers will also have access to the business center and copy and fax services. All guest rooms come equipped with refrigerators, microwaves, coffee makers, curved shower rods, hair dryers, irons, ironing boards and cable television. Non-smoking rooms can be requested. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.